All right, so let's get into the great convo right now. Asante Bachman. Now, I'm putting what to say, bro.
I'm Yadom. I tell you, yeah, with the Mujaji of Fisani Guardia. Be I okay?
Be I say,
she shall out.
It's been a long journey.
Yeah.
We can call some of the videos on your YouTube channel as far back as 8 years.
Yeah.
Bachman, your journey into music. There's always a story behind something that we are doing right about now.
Yeah.
And I know certainly you have a story also to tell.
Of course.
But Asante Bachman, and when you didn't say you were hooted in.
Patra, me deep Bachman, my real name.
Real name.
Real name.
And today I would deem Pam, you know, we used to.
Asante Bachman. That's
Asante
my real name. So yeah, Asante Bachman. So I'm using Asante Bachman for this my stage name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I know to a Juma Bia. You're saying not enough. Still enough. But looking at yourself, and I say, how did you get into music?
Right. A long story, and I don't know how I would make kind of shots.
You're trying to short.
Way back from my childhood coming in Crabrim. Blah, me that's the papa. Papa and mama pay because on opinion be anywhere. This is on to abon be a baby to be. If I had life for this animal, and no man, you be rare. Yeah, many no dimage, you know, yeah, be rare, and you want to music ma from your childhood mat now. You know, no, I did be do some.
And you growing up and not a fear the more.
Yeah, papa the penum. Inti debia say bia sibu brothers ni abon beba no. On kop tin bebia so on the abon beba fie. Amo cassette no. Ti we me resa me pententem no pie na manya tan akofa cassette no ma bie no ma yi abon cover no. Ma hwanyu me wo so nyina within a week. Na ma hwanyu na wo so nyina ato. Inti
if you now papa na start turn ne de ba. But what year why you say no okay me two obinyum no now obey how many years?
Around 5, 6, 7 years.
And what shall I say to two?
It is that time no crowd. My classmates be known back a drum bopa. If any JB or be chim. No, my classmate and my father than 4 because we need drums ne bonity. My father than 4 class on. Tim obey my friend I'm trying to say JB. We need drums ball. Me ne nyom to. Challenge for me band.
No pieces.
Around that time pieces you around class 4, 5 more. I don't know the Nigerian mommy near for me band. Inti yeah the 10 yeah those near on 1 minute drums na come up I know so me artist I say me na me de dua a keyboard and guitar. Now my brother reading merchant or into army Captain Boate Bachman. Shout out to you. No so see on so tonum. If you are no more to be out to for me band. The near na so bichim be su bichim when I'm mama monti. Na papa so kuma sia. Nti be su bichim. Nti there ti community center achi. Nti concert bi e beba bichim bia no. Na me ne me brother no. That time bi so near concert ni bi. Na di dia concert ni na ze pe drama. Aye de be touch ye concert ye band no. Nti bi fan say a concert for Jiba e ba ko hwe bi. Amachi de ba ko hwe bi. When Sibo brothers on those mama dog no money santumo about seramo e correct our concept in na bi nti e kwa ade chi na yeso pom school yeso ago from aba ya narrate story na was the drama na che omo
ya no munya kwan ma
na we so munya kwan ye ko ha ma gitman fu ni nyina hu ye nti edu ya no man kra na yemi ewuram nti yeah band the bear 1 week be rehearsals on the drama na ko hoye na enyom ne de yenko because in enyom ne nyina toto dada nti yeah rehearsals so ma me papa so tuo no mo he na era
no mo ye no mo amufia na
fie ni mu ne ye rehearsals no
nti mo band mo niema mo anwonwene na mo de
na concert bi obi chim na frɛ KU band satam na egu ne kuhu ne kan sɛ bra e pa cho my mask ni bi no de mo de mo ayi no no mo se samae nti rehearsals na sɛ bibia eku a ne kɔ house to house nti fia landlord obeti ase me concert no na asesa ye ne ma ya kɔ hɔ ne akɔbɔ ne agye consequence bi ne body eno an
it's been an amazing journey.
I don't know how I'm meeting a cat in the short.
And from that time, you know, now to 2 BD, now more concert in shame. Bichim,
yeah, Bichim
was where this whole thing started.
That's where Bichim is where I was born and raised. So that story in Bichim started.
That time I will hear your man do now oh papa or penum tebia and need you home now my but now one cause so na how new school and as school dey now mpe
some need a hot name no seriously na me pay this because of nyom ma dwi nyina ye tembia nyom no na di huna me say then time so be ko bi che meta di GSS pa na pay this ade bra won timi nko enti ye be ko GSS no ene bom enti ho no ma band de guye na mo chance ma sa bi e ko na de on pay this ade
na ba na ya yo de
na me de but say ho no ababo ho ne sa na so me pay ka very guys say
the Bechem Methodist
GSS on the non producer to go
Bechem Methodist GSS
GHS
I said that's an
GSS still America ultimi go
e no na ma ban me gu
na gumi jai me so eh e bo aba na producer ti I forget it but so fortunately for me that time ni mo so na regular store buy
1997 there about
it's one time that time say Love FM na Capital Radio na hit part that time I'm say Love in CS MBY some boy we see a plan there plan let me dey so san wo ya wasante and I'm say hey the radio I saw na ko pen abon ni bitoy nti wa na a chame so unity bro ba him man na nanom bes do mo na me be fall in love with hip life the mama I be free that high life sem no so na be join hip life train to also na hip life sem no started
that time they never we GHS no
that time knew that so
na o ma ba na enwumre we akakra
sa time na nwom no nkoye na wia ba na nkoye te say time na devote me ho pa ma
na wo band
no we see you say akoye nya band sem enwom de ba na wo to form sa tina akoye
you know growing up in Bechem ne ejuma wo ye as a young child obo live band ono now for set up a band with your brother and ono nanche afei school ko GHS nti that time but Bechem ankasa na entertainment wo hono na etese
na strong pa
I remember one gentleman be Bechem me friend Iceman not tabo shows ho pa
Slim Biggie then TikTok yes squad me who do person che no who squad no na no organize Bechem associate student association they be can test student association they DSC and BSc that time na enye easy o kra that was am so me gina mu gidi that fe warren gi gina nya agro
that time fe warren gi and so we can rap against here
yeah so we easy that time easy kra tisa na
Ejumai obika doing shooting videos for your songs and all that. I know that a lot of investments goes into it. And say now she survive as an artist, as an upcoming artist. I know that it be a unyanya strong management. How are you coping with say be a me quack record it? Me try music video. Because 8 years ago in Ultra.
Tonight is on night, yeah. Zabo is easy cry. Easy. Me kai. Quite fast we shoot video cry them more.
Tonight is on
some now recording no cry and easy. Recording no. Me could cheap construction. Pa. I work in Tampo. That time I'm West Poly. Now I'm here CTC3. Until moment me any time cry my class. Cause share Tampo baby could cheap constructions. It's Kenya, you know. Now me de Ekobuku studio, college studio. Now I'm team the recorders at team. It's and yeah, you can't say bamudia. And easy.
The one are you BBA?
Everything from that time till now. Easy. Cry.
Tonight is your night, you know. Could try construct the try.
Oh yes. Could try construct the yes.
That time now was Sunyani Polytechnic.
That time was Sunyani Polytechnic. Now I'm Polytechnical. I'm Tiku Kase, DJ Natural, Miguel Mone, no more closest friends. We shoot a cha, you recorded team we you know. Na Sunshine say video 211 video you know audio no. Oh then also ni ho. Sunshine so Saturn Sunshine feel na Sunshine track one alive and I young rich Bradia. Hit it. Until now come to me video no can that time na but never.
No change.
And I'm say my me online promo. We have more live promo. 215 I'm to try video. Recording 212, 211. So I'm say 4 years time. I said I'm meeting me extra video.
4 years after.
Yeah.
And now, journey into music. What better describe it? Say. Ayara.
But to me,
maybe one man out per se ujan your majumano.
Majuma part of that. And you there, because music there. I say. Me am na nyom I am me nti en de same idea but na dia last time me KC chat na me say I'm fed up say recording class my break because we record where we on na Mr. Bones ultimate promotion problem no it say was so Kenya na da champagne e dem mobile that's why you soon because I record nyom na we ultimate promote or air like TV, radio, it's the only problem. But send me jai de. But I say, no,
Bibiya Zoom wabem se jai me.
Debida. And Mr. Bones and a dear and count. But I say, promo no nana, no problem.
Aside an idea.
And the mini problem will be our view.
Are there some musicians in Ghana here who influence what you do as an artist?
Yeah.
When?
Started from Lord Kenya. Started from Lord Kenya. The bad tiny. Na current one abekan
Shatawale. So Lord Kenya.
Tiny. Shatawale. Mensa because they are not Lord Kenya saying a Jumano. They serious. Tiny is the way to buy no not thing. Since then, man, like man, no beer for the bandana some bass, Shatawali. Never mind.
And then our power was hanging to film and sound.
The way they act, and the way I my focus on more for a Jumano. Because a Juma say, determine so be ya, timing. But what sika. The idea. Nti ananye automatic say wo de nyon ba obe hit. Me nya record e no. Me nya record da kra. Let me say nya one track oko. Nti sa. Nti say no nti na oba mu dia na nje na jai because any automatic say wo de nyon na ba no ba hit. Ana no so investment. Nti say bia de one aba amfa two aba amfa oba mbebu. Say wonya bia de no devote won so obe ya na say your passion obi jai. So those three artists in there.
Lord Kenya,
Tiny,
Shatawale.
Thank you. Yeah.
Now let's get to the new one. And our friend saying
Sika.
Oh yes,
Sika. Money.
Okay, so let's do the world premiere. We're talking about the new one from Asante Bachman. And let's enjoy the song. When we come back here, we're talking about it and wrapping up on our conversation.
Charlie. Hey. Hold on. Ogo Pisca. Hey. Pisca. 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 Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Pisca. 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 Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. When the sky yeah kwa unkobi, I don't riffy, poor no get friend. So that bro man ye sulu, kwedi ane rule what? Bema, pisca, what to me a kosher busia. Beat our guys ya shishia to so yeah my horn from a tata ya home for say. We get, sika, we get, alala meow. Pisca, 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 pisca. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Pisca, 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 pisca. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Pisca, 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 pisca. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo. One pisca bejo gelo, we as bibiani siko. Fresh guy, unika pre. Da bro, unika pre. My brother man ya me dear. Fresh cars, big house, big girls, big ass. Hey, sikedo, mutru party. Alrighty, hey, catch it. Pisca, 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 pisca. Yeah, piscanti woo. Yeah, piscanti woo.
Asante Bachman, and I keep telling you that when it comes to premiering on this great show, I'll never give you the full length of the video. All you have to do is just make sure you go onto YouTube right now and search for Asante Bachman. Asante Bachman. Subscribe to his YouTube channel and have the notification button on, and anytime he drops something new, you'll be first to be notified. Asante Bachman. Bro.
Mr. Bones.
Yeah, piscanti.
Pisca.
Pisca.
Wanda. Hey. Sorry, Pisco, actually.
So this is the new one.
This is the new one, yeah, Mr. Bones.
So far, who on your best in our bunty?
So far, more 6.
6 songs.
Yeah, tonight is your night. High tech, I go die for you. Tafrebako, happy, then Sika.
Sika.
Yeah.
All right. So now, share with us your social media handles. So we per se, who channel Obenya Sika no so other tracks and so here for no.
So, Mr. Asante Bachman.
Asante Bachman.
Everywhere.
Baby,
there's all the bullshit.
Asante Bachman.
But Asante 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 BUCKMAN Bachman. So bullshit na baby. The only Asante Bachman.
Nayana, among us, you use this tagline, the man with the deep voice.
High voice. The high voice.
The high voice.
After GSS now me back Kumasi High School. Na ye form a group B. Near microphone holders. Now as a star no be didn't acquire the same star. And I'm saying now. I say me change me sister me unique cool. Until mama play Jay-Z album, Lauryn Hill, Nas, DMX. The vacation me coffee no. Na me see this album no be na DMX they push me. That's all some husky. Now I say I'll pick this voice, but with my own style. It's me pick. I say I know a high pitch. Yeah, and I'm here okay. I'm here slogan the high voice, and I'm using the high voice.
And the high school now perform
serious.
The GHS near Methodist JHS Bechem. And our back Kumasi High School. And Rantier.
Giddy.
And now
from there, Miss Alco KTI.
Call KTI.
Yeah.
And now call from
there that
Sexy Polycacra. Beji Udio.
Easy.
Beji Wani. So Asante, now wrapping up with you, I don't know. But B.I. Asante Bachman.
Asante Bachman. Bushim. Asante Bachman.
Wrapping up with you now, I don't know the message that you have for your fans that you're making for yourself today, and no more support all these who are in your journey to music. I mean, you must walk at home.
Medal be asked to say, my support Bachman from day one till now. Keep on supporting me. Now, never be bro, I be. You won't quite there. Now, medal be asked, now, be so just focus on what you're doing. Memo beer more about only believe in yourself. So believe on Quadia. The Akabia, Chasem. Na ye de obey. Na Medamasi. One with a woman will be obey beer. Big shout out to you. Kalimu Budi and Yanko. Big up to DJ Tevati. Scato Fresh. The long beats. They will shoot 2 video. Brawi. To my mom, my dad, my brothers, my sisters, you know. Then Obibia supporting me. Negus Negasti. Big up to you.
Asante Bachman. But your number be able to be there to draw be percent or no link it up and I say for business for whatever. Maybe say
yeah. 0543
0543
14
86
21
05
43 14
14 86 21.
Yeah, now Mr. Boys, Mammy and was it. Then I mean that Lionel Secret Minister was it.
Yeah.
Then you see Visa, you and they CEO. Also me that as a support. You see Visa, you and they clothing. Big up to all of you.
You and they are the makaka see the makeup. The candy, some making, you know who can. You see. You the man. That's it, Mr. Super. He says, super, Mr. Bones. Always have seen you. You are super, and you encourage us to work for the bonus as you are always on fire. Mercy, keep it up, and also give us a positive way and give us more and more morale that Dagbandu for you. Dagbandu. Oi. I don't really understand, but hi, good evening, Mr. Bones. We missed Asante Bachman so much, and we thank God he's back with more fire. Asante Bachman. This was hello, good evening. I'm watching you live from Bechem. Keep the fire burning, bro. I am Mariam from Bechem Zongo. Bechem, thanks for the love. Good show, keep it up. Romeo from Konongo. I love your show, and I'm always with you. Kofi Moore from Konongo. Thank you, Kofi. 0233911933. This one says, I'm enjoying the show at Timothy Pankrono. I'm again God, and that's what's up. Bachman, thank you so much for your time today.
Thanks.
Yeah, appreciate you.
Thanks a lot.
All right, so we have a lot coming up, but take us away, Asante Bachman. Sika, yepeske ndiu.
Charlie. Hey, hold on, Ugo Pisca. Hey, Pisca. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Pisca. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. When this guy here kwa unkobi, I don't riffy, porno get friend. So that bro man ye sulu, kiwadi ane ruli what? Bema, Pisca, watu mi akoshe busia. Beat our guys ya shishi ato so yeah my horn from tata ya home free say. We get, Sika, we get. Alala meow. Pisca. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Yeah, Piscanti woo-hoo. Yeah, Piscanti Pisca, 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 pisca. Yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo. Pisca, 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 pisca. Yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo. One pisca bejo gelo, we has to be Bianisico. Fresh guy, unica pre, da bro, unica pre. My brother man ya me dear. Fresh cars, big house, big girls, big ass. Hey, Sikedo, Mutru party. Alrighty, hey, catch it. Pisca, 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 pisca. Yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo. Come on. Yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo, yeah, piscanti woo. Pisca, 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 pisca. Yeah, piscanti woo, 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 yeah, piscanti woo. Back my music. Be music entertainment. Massa, Kopiska.